guys, it's your Flavor Rican. And we got some food. And we're going to celebrate. Because TikTok is back, baby. TikTok has given me the ability to leave you hungry with every bite. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I got a burger. I figured, I love a burger. I love a burger. Burger's like my favorite. Cheese fries. Let's get into this motherfucker. Game changer. Game changer. A little ketchup. Because we can. And a little nacho cheese. Because we can. TikTok has given us the ability to do so. Oh my God, it's so good. Got cheese sauce and the ketchup together. I actually hate the snow. And it was snowing in New Jersey today. And I haven't been so grateful to see snow in my fucking entire life. So happy to be back. Even though I can't go live, I'm happy to be here. I'm happy. I'm happy. Just so fucking happy. Look at this burger. Let me get a little closer, because TikTok has given me the ability to leave you hungry with every bite, so I'm here to do so. Look at that. Hold on. Double burger. Potato bun, lettuce, tomato, pickle, onion, American cheese. Cooking so perfectly. I'm back to leave you hungry with every bite.